Are Disney cruises worth it? From the character interactions, the entertainment, and the dining. Are Disney cruises worth it? This is our first ever cruise sailing on the Disney Magic. We're super excited to show you everything adult children can do, including looking all the foods. If you're interested in what's included on a cruise, feel free to subscribe as that video is coming next. The Disney Magic is sailing from San Diego to Catalina Island, then to Mexico Ensenada, then back to San Diego. It is the very first Disney vessel. It can accommodate up to 2,700 passengers and has 875 staterooms. Room tour time. We are staying on deck 7, room 7634. This is a deluxe ocean view room with a veranda with a white wall. The room beside itself is 268 square feet. So let's take a look. As soon as you come in, you have a split bathroom. So you have the toilet and you have a sink split. And separate to that, on the right as you walk in, you have a bathtub, which is good for the kiddos. You have a sink, and then you have a nice wardrobe with ample space, I would say. Lots of space. Life jackets in case you need them. More storage here. Probably my favorite part is the bed. It seems very comfortable. I'll obviously give you a review to see if it is comfortable. You do have this curtain over here in case you do want some privacy from your kiddos. They're eating their snack right now and trying to watch a movie. This couch does turn into a bed, and then this is another bed, so it turns into a bunk bed, but we're gonna have 2 plug and plays set up hopefully over here. TV, and again all this is storage. There is a refrigerator in here where you can keep your food if you have leftovers or snacks or baby bottles, whatever. And then this is a get ready station with a table. Maybe you can use that other chair, I don't know. But this is my favorite part over here. If we open this door, this is the white wall veranda I was referring to. And then we're in San Diego. Got a table, 2 chairs, table, and Mr. Curiosity over here. And he just wants to play with the water. Overall, I would say this is a pretty nice sized room for a family of 4. If you had 2 older kids, maybe you would need a little bit more space. This is our first cruise, so our first experience cruising in this size cabin compared to your regular hotel room, but it seems to have everything we need, so a thumbs up from me. Today is another beautiful day on the Disney Magic, and we're heading to Ensenada. Yesterday, Catalina Island unfortunately got cancelled because Disney Magic uses a third-party tender boat service, and the tender boat service didn't make it from LA because of bad weather, so we had a sea day yesterday. We just relaxed and chilled, but as we've been going through our day, we've been thinking about, is this Disney cruise worth it? We're still trying to compile our thoughts, but today we're going to take you along, do everything with you, eat, we're going to go to Ensenada, we're going to eat again, we're going to drop the boys off to nursery, it's going to be a brilliant day, so come along with us. But first, we need a little breakfast. Let's go. There are 2 breakfast options here on the Disney Magic. One of the dining rooms offers breakfast, and the other one is Cabanas, which is a buffet style restaurant. Right now we're headed to Lumiere's, which is one of the rotational dining rooms here on the ship. I'm excited because we did request some churro Mickey waffles, so let's see if they gave it. Are you having fun? Do you like Disney cruising? Lumiere's behind me does open at 8 AM to 9:30 AM. The dining room breakfast option does have a short window, so you'll have to catch it pretty early, I would say. But we're up early, we're always up at 6 AM because of these 2 lovely guys. To the vlog. Say hi. We're not seated at Lumiere's, and I have to say one standout here on the Disney Magic is the service. I would say the servers really get to know you, your names, your party, and they really interact with the guests and your children, which makes it really nice. Yesterday they made an Indian food for me and Raj, and this morning I requested churro Mickey waffles, which we're going to get. So they've just blown it out of the water for us. Breakfast has just arrived. I got a custom omelette with a plant-based sausage. We also have Mickey churros here that I'm looking forward to eating. He is loving the Mickey churros. He's eating a parfait and a Mickey churro. Stand out to me was my omelette. Still yet to try the Mickey waffles. Do you love it? We are in Ensenada, Mexico. We're waiting to get a shuttle downtown. It's $4 round trip for us to get a shuttle downtown. So Raj is going to get some cash. Or you could walk. It's a 2 miles round trip to walk into downtown. We don't have any excursions planned, so we just plan to see what Ensenada has to offer. Hi. It's very quiet here in downtown Ensenada. I think we're a little early. It's 10:20 a.m. It's got different bars and restaurants. They are open. It just feels so quiet, like a bit of a ghost town right now. Maybe it's worth booking an excursion if you are getting off the cruise ship here. We're back from Ensenada, and just to wrap up our thoughts on Ensenada, if you are visiting via cruise ship, I would recommend scheduling some sort of excursions. We just wanted a break from the ship, so we just strolled downtown. There are these little shops, there's lots of restaurants, it's very touristy. The people who own the stores do try to get you in. I think it's fun to just go for a walk, but if you want something more, I would recommend booking an excursion. So it was nice to have a break and see Ensenada. If we ever come back here, I'd want to visit a beach. But for now, we're gonna go grab some lunch and then drop these guys to the nursery so me and Daddy over there can get massages. We've just stopped here for lunch at Duck-In Diner. I'm having a hot dog, the boys are having some chicken tenders, Ryder's having a hot dog. There are a few options here for lunch. We have Cabanas, which is the buffet restaurant. There is a sit-down restaurant in one of the main dining rooms. Then we have Daisy Delights, which is light bites, just paninis, sandwiches, salads. We have Pinocchio's Pizzeria, which has pizzas. Then you have Duck-In Diner, which has your hot dogs, burgers. So there are loads of options here for lunch. I like the fries here, and they have plant-based options. I'm having a plant-based sauce, so they're really winning me over on that plant-based option. After lunch, we dropped the boys to the nursery, and then me and Raj headed to the spa for some relaxation time. I just got done from Six Senses Spa. My massage was really good. The only recommendation I would give to Disney is to put a jacuzzi in the rainforest room. I love the steam. So overall, I would say my treatment was pretty good. I'll leave the price on the screen, maybe over here. Now I'm gonna go get Rain and Day. We've missed them from the nursery. Hi! Hi, Rain! Did you have fun? Did you have fun? You okay, Dave? You okay? You had fun? Huh? Yeah. Whoa. We're ready for pirate night. Say hello. Hello. Let's go. Are you ready for pirate night? Yes. Say yes. Let's go to pirate night. What's unique about Disney, it has these themed nights. So yesterday was Halloween and today it is pirate night. You can hear the music in the ship. Very piratey. Tonight we're dining at Lumiere's. Disney does have rotational dining, which means you move restaurant every day. As you move restaurant, the servers move with you, and so they get to know you and your party and all your needs, which is pretty interesting and cool. So tonight we're dining at Luminaires, which is the Beauty and the Beast theme restaurant. Luminaires is a Beauty and a Beast themed restaurant, but today's pirate night, so we're going to have a pirate themed menu. And then tomorrow we're going to Animator's Palette, which I'm really looking forward to. Say hi, Zany. We are ready for pirate night. Cheers! Here's to a wonderful pirate night. Cheers! Cheers, Rain! Cheers, beautiful! Yum, 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 yum! Yum, 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 yum! First course, cornbread and buttered roll. Cheers! Ding! How is it, Rain?
How's the cornbread? You like it?
And we have here samosa. I'm gonna give it a try. Samosa. Very good. What do you think of the samosa? Good. They're happy. They love their pasta. Second course is carrot and cilantro soup. Pretty good. And then yours, how's your second course? I got the vegetarian stir fry. It looks yummy. How's yours? Just to give you my final thoughts on dinner, I think today was one of my favorite nights in terms of food, just because I really enjoyed the Indian food. It feels like authentic Indian food versus restaurant style Indian food. So yeah, you can request it on your Disney cruise. I highly recommend it. We're Indian, we like Indian food. To me, it's better than the stuff on the menu, at least on pirate night anyway. But I really enjoyed tonight. They even sang happy birthday to these two. Their birthday's in 3 weeks, they'll be turning 2. And because I put it on my reservation, but I didn't get it on camera, unfortunately. Oh, hi Minnie. Hi Minnie. Oh. Hi, give a hug. You want to get kissed? Sure, do you want to take a picture? Hi Minnie, you look so lovely in your Halloween costume.
So cute.
Oh, say bye Minnie. Oh, thank you so much.
The next day.
The big question is it worth it? For me, I was thinking about this question a lot during our trip, and my mind changed a lot. Is it worth it? Sometimes it was a yes, sometimes it was a no. But overall, in my opinion, I would say yes, it is worth it because of 2 reasons. The standout is the service. I've never come across such incredible service. The servers go out of your way, they play with your children, they get to know you, they get to know your likes and dislikes. And I've seen this in other videos before, but experiencing it for yourself, it's a whole nother level. And they gave us Indian food 2 nights in addition to whatever was on the menu. So the standout for me was the service. 2, for me, it was the entertainment. It really standed out to me. Seeing their faces light up during the character interactions when they met Minnie Mouse for the first time. Rain went up and hugged her. That was so cute. Yeah. And then we saw the show last night, Twice Charmed, in the theatre. And it was exceptional. It's Broadway quality theatre, and a lot of people have said that, and it is true. So those are 2 standouts for me. Would we be rushing back to come back on a cruise? I think we'll give it a break. We have other travel plans, but we would revisit it. I think 4 nights is enough for us.
Yeah.
I think we get a little bit of cabin fever. We like being out in the open and exploring countries to the fullest. But we enjoyed this all-inclusive experience. It's sort of all-inclusive, more of a full board experience. Yeah, so I would recommend it for the right family. Oh, another highlight was having the nursery. It was a daycare. I thought the staff was really good. They warmed up to the staff. They even napped for quite a while in there. So those are my thoughts. Is it worth it? I would say yes.
I would think so too, because the interaction, like, you know, when they met the characters, I mean, you're not going to find that anywhere. And then just the service is different than anybody else. So service is great, and the interaction with characters, which is what you would expect on a Disney cruise, I think it's worth it for the right family for sure.
Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. It really helps out my channel. If you have any recommendations on what we should cover next or where we should travel, feel free to leave it in the comments below. We will see you in our next travel video.